Hello, friends! Today we are going to the heart of Samarkand to reveal the secret of real Uzbek pilaf, cooked according to ancient traditions. And not just any pilaf, but a unique Samarkand version, which is made from the legendary Devzira rice. Why this particular variety? Why is pilaf not mixed here, as in other regions? And where can you try the most authentic taste? Let's find out. Plov has been around for a millennium. One theory claims that it was a part of Eastern culinary traditions and first appeared during the reign of Persian monarchs. Another claims that it was first made during the reign of Alexander the Great, who was astounded by this filling and fragrant dish while touring Central Asia. However, Uzbekistan has emerged as the authentic birthplace of classic pilaf, regardless of its provenance. Every part of the nation makes pilaf differently. For example, in Tashkent, pilaf is fattier and served with achik chuchuk salad and ayran. Bukhara is sweetened by the addition of chickpeas and raisins. Additionally, pilaf is a true art form in Samarkand, where it is made using a special formula. However, rice is the key component that is required to make a genuinely perfect pilaf. The renowned Devzira variety enters the picture here. The typical white rice we find in stores is not the same as this rice. Its grains possess a crimson hue that results from a unique drying process. High density, it stays elastic and crumbly without boiling. The capacity to absorb scents, spices, and oil better than any other rice. The Fergana Valley is the optimum location for Devzira cultivation due to its temperature and soil. The rice is stored for a few months after harvesting in order to mature and develop a distinct flavor. The meat is first cooked in Samarkand, where it is customarily prepared with fat-tailed lamb in addition to beef, which adds a wonderful aroma. Every location has distinct pilaf characteristics. Here, turnips and garlic are added to the meat along with other traditional spices. Giving the dish a unique flavor and scent. Pilaf is made even more distinctive and memorable by the use of such a hidden ingredient. The pilaf has a deep, piquant flavor from the red hot pepper. To ensure that the dish's rich spice scent and meat juiciness are not overpowered, it is important to avoid going overboard with the spice. At this point, the cauldron is filled with big bars of chopped carrots. By preserving its juiciness, this cutting technique gives the pilaf a gorgeous golden tint and a natural sweetness. The dish's distinctive flavor and incredibly enticing appearance are due to the carrots. Similar to the traditional dishes in many areas, this one also uses chickpeas, raisins, and pilaf-making spices like cumin. Each component may be uniformly saturated with flavors and fragrances thanks to the layering of the components, which results in a rich and well-balanced flavor. Pilaf is very aromatic and delicious because of this secret. Alisher is the proprietor and head chef of this welcoming restaurant. He has devoted his entire life to his calling, which is cooking pilaf. He has been perfecting this dish's cooking techniques for over 50 years, with the assistance of his whole family. For this reason, the coffee house was named Alisher Osh Plov. Many lovers of authentic Uzbek pilaf are aware of this location, therefore finding it on a map won't be tough. Pilaf now has a unique depth of flavor and richness, thanks to the use of aromatic rendered pork tail fat. This ingredient gives pilaf a distinct oriental scent that gourmets love, in addition to making it juicier. Before adding the rice, it's crucial to establish a unique barrier between the rice and the carrots. Use gauze that has been previously soaked in melted fat tail fat for this. This method keeps the layers intact because, even after full mixing, the rice stays crumbly and the carrots stay moist. The pilaf's rich scent and ideal flavor balance can be achieved by using this method. Water is now required. Add the previously made liquid so that the fragrances of all the ingredients start to permeate and blend into the perfect dish. Maintaining equilibrium is crucial. The pilaf should have just enough water to make it crumbly, but not too much to make it into porridge. Alisher's wife is busy making the salad and appetizer bases while the pilaf cooks slowly. She makes traditional pilaf accompaniments like juicy 𝗬𝗃𝗀𝗃 chuchuk, cool rakan salad, and delectable marinades after painstakingly chopping fresh veggies and choosing aromatic spices. To ensure that the oil is dispersed equally, the rice does not burn, and the pilaf is evenly saturated with the fragrances of the spices. It must be properly stirred from time to time. This aids in achieving the dish's perfect texture and flavor. Alisher's special technique for preparing pilaf is his key to success. He utilizes a unique fabric saturated in fat as opposed to other pilaf houses, where the cauldron is covered with plates or a lid. It fills with hot air while it cooks, inflating and producing the illusion of a steam bath. This is how the rice becomes wonderfully delicate, fragrant, and crumbly. This is the only cooking method we've seen here, and it really makes the pilaf unique.
چای جوشیده چای سمی زدره سمی ایناش چیزایی به سودگیش ما
The fabric's air dome gradually settles as the fire is out, indicating that the pilaf is ready. The only thing left to do is get the serving dishes ready. To help the pilaf stay hot and flavorful for a longer period of time, it is advised to soak the plates in warm water beforehand. The food is served even more expertly thanks to this minor yet crucial detail.
No, normal.
Gently push the rice along the borders to expose the bottom layer, which contains the flavorful carrots and succulent beef that have been soaked in oil and spices. This is a particularly crucial point because the meat softens and the pilaf gets a rich flavor and a delicious hue from the carrots. You can now begin serving.
de yana olayım. Evet tamam.
Чтобы не остыло.
Ben Leningrad tarafta Plov tutamdaki antipüfe kadar çeşit var.
Kia?
Alisher always prays before serving the pilaf to bless the dinner and show gratitude for the cuisine. This age-old custom gives the cooking process a unique significance while fostering harmony and respect at the table. The visitors are then fed the fragrant, non-fragrant pilaf.
İkişimiz la. Krupnym, değil krupnym, prosto. Jeździł. Ja sobie krupnie ponadmış. Kiram burada. Aymanın telefonu objektif açıyor da.
Конечно, ультра кимчи балошмо.
Polim bana mı?
Now is the long-awaited opportunity to taste pilaf. A true culinary feast is promised by the fragrances of spices, delicate meat, and crumbly rice. All that's left to do is savor this classic dish that has been expertly and soulfully prepared.
Кто-нибудь гура будет?
Да.
Саш. Случайно гуров не будешь? Это что? Гуров.
Я у них вчера поел, часов 6-7, ну где-то так, и все. Домой.
I appreciate you viewing the entire video. There will be even more thrilling journeys in the future, so stick with DOCA Tours. Together, let's explore the beauty and atmosphere of this incredible location.